हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम स्टडी करेंगे आयोनिक बॉन्ड एंड कोवलेंट बॉन्ड. Ionic bond formed between metal and non-metal. Metal and non-metal combine together chemically. They form ionic bond. For example, sodium chloride. Here sodium is a metal and chlorine is a non-metal. Second is covalent bond. Covalent bond formed between non-metal and non-metal. For example, carbon dioxide. Here carbon is a non-metal and oxygen is also a non-metal. What is a ionic bond? Ionic bond is chemical bond formed due to complete transfer of electron from one atom to another atom. For example, metal has low ionization energy, so lose electron, and non-metal has high ionization energy, so gain electron. Now formation of sodium chloride. Here sodium is a metal and chlorine is a non-metal. Total number of electrons sodium is 11 and chlorine total number of electron is 17. Electron configuration of sodium: first, second, 2, 8, 1. First shell 2 electron, second shell 8 electron, and balance or last shell is first 1 electron. Here chlorine electron configuration: first shell 2 electron, second shell 8 electron, third or balance shell 7 electron. Sodium is lose 1 electron to stability or octet complete, so lose sodium electron. Chlorine gain electron to octet complete, so chlorine is negative charge and sodium is positive charge. Here opposite charge, positive or negative charge, opposite charge produce electrostatic forces. Electrostatic forces produce, so they form ionic bond. Thank you. हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम स्टडी करेंगे कोवलेंट बॉन्ड. व्हाट इज अ कोवलेंट बॉन्ड? व्हेन टू और मोर एटम ज्वाइन टुगेदर बाय म्यूचुअल शेयरिंग ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, दिस इज कॉल्ड कोवलेंट बॉन्ड. फॉर एग्जांपल, वी कंसिडर फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. Here two oxygen atom, one oxygen atom and another oxygen atom. One oxygen atom number of electron is 8. First shell 2 electron and second shell is 6 electron. This oxygen is also number of electron is 8. First shell is 2 electron and second shell is 6 electron. This oxygen is 2 electron gain, so it will get stability. Here this oxygen is also 2 electron gain, so it will get stability. These oxygen, both two atom oxygen sharing of electron, two pair of electron share, so formed a double covalent bond. Now single covalent bond, double covalent bond and triple covalent bond. When one pair of electron share formed a single covalent bond. When two pair of electron share formed a double covalent bond. When three pair of electron share formed a triple covalent bond. Single covalent bond chlorine and double covalent bond, for example oxygen gas. Triple covalent bond formed nitrogen gas. Thank you.